Another problem, v is equal to 180 minus 16x whole power 1 by 2. Find acceleration, where x is in meter and v is in meter per second. So velocity function of x is given. Suppose velocity is function of t is given, I can directly do dv by dt is the acceleration. But here velocity is function of x is given. So how to calculate acceleration? We know one formula. If velocity is function of x is given, we can do dv by dx, and v dv by dx gives you acceleration. So v directly we know, we have to calculate dv by dx value. That means we have to differentiate this v with respect to x on both sides. So dv by dx is equal to what you can write? Chain rule I have to apply. You take this sum u to the power of 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 into u to the power of, that means 180 minus 16x whole power 1 by 2 minus 1 into again du by dx you have to do. That is differentiation of this term. 180 differentiation is 0 minus 16. So what you are going to get? Minus 16 by 2 is minus 8 into 180 minus 16x whole power minus 1 by 2. So acceleration is equal to v dv by dx. V is 180 minus 16x whole power 1 by 2 into dv by dx. dv by dx is minus 8 into 180 minus 16x whole power minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 power plus 1 by 2 becomes 0, power 0. So something power 0 is 1. That is equal to what you get? Minus 8 meter per second square. Sometimes you may solve this problem in other way also, but it is lengthy, but no problem. I will also do some other method. Suppose if you can write v is equal to dx by dt. So by simplifying you will be getting x is function of t. If x is function of t is known, dx by dt is velocity and d square x by dt square is acceleration. That also one of the method. That means v equal to 180 minus 16x whole power 1 by 2. So instead of v, if you write dx by dt, you can get x is function of time. So 180 minus 16x whole power 1 by 2. So what you can write? Dx by 180 minus 16x whole power 1 by 2 is equal to dt. From 0 to x, 0 to t. Now integration 180 minus 16x whole power minus 1 by 2 into dx. So what I am doing is minus 16 dx by minus 16. So I am multiplying and dividing with minus 16 on with minus 16. That is equal to integration dt is t and limits t minus 0 is t. Now you are having one formula, that is integration f of x whole power n f dash x is equal to f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. By using that formula, here f of x whole power n minus 1 by 2 into f dash x. F dash x is its a differentiation, so it is 0 minus 16 dx. Yes, this condition is fulfilled. So what I can write? 180 minus 16x whole power minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So plus 1 by 2 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. That is again 1 by 2. This is f dash x. So this number I have to write as it is equal to t. Now minus 8, that means minus 8t is equal to 180 minus 16x whole power 1 by 2. You can square on both sides. 180 minus 16x is equal to 64t square. So what you are going to get? 16x is equal to 180 minus 64t square, and dx by dt is velocity. So here you can send this 16 to this side, so you will be getting x is function of t. Now you differentiate, dx by dt is equal to 0 minus 128t, and again you double differentiate it, d square x by dt square, that is acceleration, is equal to minus 128. So a is equal to what you write? Minus 128 by 16. So that is equal to minus 8 meter per second square. This is one more method of solving this problem. Of course it is lengthy, but still you are having chance to solve this problem in this method.